If you come here, get the duck. Can't speak for the other. Do you want me to shut up? Every time I try to talk, you just feed me. I think she wants me to stop talking. Can we do it? Good morning, everybody. Today, we're headed to ELYU. Let's go. It's about a 5-hour drive, I believe. It's not too far. It's technically just 120 miles, I believe. The only reason it takes so long is because of the roads, I guess. So we'll see how long it really takes. But I gotta pick up Princess first. First, do I have a lisp? First. But I gotta pick up Princess first. We're on the way to La Union. She's here now. I picked her up. Say hi to the ASMR. We're matching. You better not get mad at me for leaving that in. I'm leaving that in. I'm leaving this in. Don't get mad at me if it's in the final edit. On the way to ELYU, we got gas first. And the windshield service. Sure. We're currently on the highway going to San Juan, La Union. Now I understand why it says 2 hours. We're gonna be driving on these kind of roads all the way to La Union. It's gonna be slow going. We're in my city, Buang. This is my city, guys. Welcome to
Bawang yan.
Bawang, Buang. Parking is this? It's so cramped. And then Kuya here is gonna try to make it worse. I guess this is parking here. What's up, guys? We just got here to the hostel Creesante in La Union. Parking here is kinda tough because the road is just stones. So every time you turn your wheel, it sounds like your tires are about to pop. We're gonna try to check in. It's 12 right now. Check-in is at 2. So wish us luck. Hopefully we can check in and put our things away and pee. I gotta pee. Here's the parking. It's not too many spaces free. So if you do come here on a weekend, be prepared to play a little Tetris. We also have outdoor showers here. I'm guessing you're really close to the beach because you can get into a shower here. It's right next to the parking. This guy's having a hard time getting out. It's not too good at guessing or it's estimating his car length. Got plenty of space to check in. Need deposit? What do you need?
200.
For? What's it 200 for?
Hindi kasi wala silang panok.
Oh. Nothing? You have 100? So our room's not quite ready. It's gonna take about 2 hours probably. So we're gonna go grab lunch at El Chapo. It's gonna be Mexican food. And I am a Mexican food snob. She doesn't really like Mexican food, but I keep telling her the Mexican food here is not Mexican food. It's basically Filipino food still. So we're gonna try Mexican food. I will let her know if it's legit so she can finally try real Mexican food. But I have my doubts that it's legit, especially here. So wait, she didn't have change?
Ano kasi, wala siyang panukli, tapos ibabalik na lang daw niya, inulot na lang niya. Eh, baka makalimutan.
El Chapo should be right around the corner here. Son. Ah. Found it. I don't have high hopes already just from looking at it. Yeah, I don't have high hopes. Filipinos don't know what Mexican food tastes like. Go ahead if you want to stand in line.
Little Canggu yung ano.
Oh, I thought there was more space.
Wala.
Alright. We're going to Little Canggu instead. There's no space in El Chapo. And it didn't look that good, honestly. I was looking at the people's food. It looked okay.
Wala silang,
Huh?
wala silang, mabila kaya. Wala, ilang yung ano nila?
Space to eat?
Oo.
Yeah, it looks like a quick get in and out place. It's not really a sit down and enjoy, have casual conversation. The vibe there wasn't the greatest. It's right next to the highway too, so you can't really expect much. But we'll try it eventually, I think, and I'll let you know if it's good. All right, we're passing through Flotsam and Jetsam. It's pretty nice in here. We're gonna go clubbing here later, huh? We're gonna go. Cut to us going like this at night. There's no way we're gonna party. All right. Ooh, you want to go surfing, diba? All right, we got to cut through here to go to. I already forgot what the name of the restaurant was. You think you don't want to go surfing now?
Parang hindi na ako makakawala.
That's really strong, actually. You're right. That looks fun though for bodyboarding. Welcome to San Juan, La Union. That's the restaurant. Ganda. Wow. Welcome, guys. I haven't been here in 7 years. This looks like a nice hangout spot if the sun went away. Here's the restaurant. Little Canggu, I think. Canggu? Little, oh, here, it's right there. Little Canggu. Canggu. Little Canggu. Yeah, I guess. Go ahead. You gotta go up the stairs. Wow, very aesthetic. Little Canggu, guys. I think it's Indonesian food. Balinese food, pardon me. Gotta go up these stairs, and you can eat while watching the waves. Is that a line? Balinese food. They don't have the one I want, of course. So I guess you get a menu, come here, check what you want, and then you go back there to order.
Parang gusto ko na ito, pero parang kinakabahan ako pag crispy. Kung masarap yung crispy fried. Gusto mo try natin?
Okay. Share?
Yep.
What is it? Bebek. Bebek goreng. We'll do a quarter duck.
Quarter.
And then what else? One more?
Wala to siyang kasamang plain rice na. So mag-rice ako.
Okay. This is the one I want. Satay. They don't have the satay. Sad. You want to order a starter and the bebek? I think I want to try the tempeh chips. Alright. Tempeh chips, sweet soy dip, and then bebek goreng, quartered up,
Rice.
plain rice. Tempeh chips. Is that one crispy or is it kind of soft? Still? Okay.
Rice.
And can we get the bebek goreng, the quarter duck? And that's it. Once you order, this will ring when the food is ready, and you go pick it up at the desk. Here's the tempeh chips. There's the bebek goreng, quarter duck with rice and spinach. Hopefully it's good. If the food is not good, at least we have a nice view. Tempeh chips. It has a nice peanut butter sauce. I'm so excited for this. It's hot. The only reason this is somewhat good is because of the peanut butter sauce. Kind of dry and not really seasoned. It's starting to grow on me, but I wouldn't buy this again. I should have got the French fries. I saw something different, so I tried something different. This is why I don't try something different. Because what if you get disappointed? And now your experience is diminished. That duck looks good though. It's too bad they didn't have the satay. Now that, I would think would have been really good. You're not gonna eat the spinach? It's cooked, so I think it's safe. I'm gonna try some of that spinach. Juicy.
Sarap no?
Mm-hmm.
Nakamay ko lang.
Spinach is excellent. Super flavorful. Your spinach side dish is better than my tempeh. Yeah. No matter how much I try to eat
Sarap yung
it,
crispy part.
it's good. It's juicy. The duck is juicy. Mm-hmm. Super juicy. They cooked it really well.
Saka saktong fried lang.
I'm sad with my tempeh. Duck is good. If you come here, get the duck. Can't speak for the other. Do you want me to shut up? Every time I try to talk, you just feed me. I think she wants me to stop talking. So, I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna finish our food while she struggles. And we'll get back to you guys later. But I would recommend this place.
Baka sumama ka sa trash.
Is it on? Is it on? Is it on?
Ah,
You called me trash.
sumama sa trash ah.
Self-service here, guys. Okay. Thank you. Room's not ready, so we stopped at this cafe in front of Creesante Hotel. While we wait for the room, we're gonna drink some coffee. It's pretty packed in here because there's air going. It's hot outside. Let's see what kind of coffee they got. Coffee menu. Actually, it's not coffee. It's all chai. Interesting. Do you take card by any chance or just cash?
Cash, Gcash.
Cash. What's this place called? Muni Moon? We're at Muni Cafe. It's It's right in front of Creesante. It's a nice place to hang out in the aircon while it's super hot outside. Muni Nook Cafe. The best. It's really good. It's very matcha flavored. Our room is ready. Let's go check in and relax a little bit. All right, let's go check in. We are in room 205. Shouldn't be too hard to find. There's only 2 levels. We're in the kitchen. Here's room 2. We're above the kitchen. How did they know? We're fat asses. Oh, the aircon is on. Here's the room. It's not the biggest room, but it's clean and it looks pretty nice for what it is. Drum roll, please. Here's the CR. Smells good. Here's the bathroom, guys. You know the tradition. Let's see the flush. That is a weak flush. Let's try one more time. Ooh, all right. No big dookies here. It's gonna get stuck. The flush isn't the strongest. So make sure you have soft poo. So this is the room. It's tiny, but it's clean, modern looking. Plenty of shelf space to stay organized. Place for your clothes you can hang. There's a full-size mirror here if you want to go out clubbing later. You get to see yourself. And that's it. You can put your shoes down there. There. This is how the room locks. This push button. Not very secure, but good enough. House rules. What's up, guys? We are now changed, dressed, and ready to go to the beach. Hopefully, it doesn't rain yet, but it's not looking good for us. We gotta hurry up and get to the beach before any rain comes down. We should have brought an umbrella. So if you stay at Creesante, the beach, it's like a quick 3-minute walk. There's the water over there. Now we just gotta figure out how to get there. I think we go through here. Huh? How much? 80? Someone bought a beach necklace. Uh-oh, it's broken. I think the beach is this way. I don't know, ask Kuya. Behind us. Keep going. Figure it out later. Smells good. All right. Found the way to the beach. It's this little walkway here. If it looks sketchy, that's probably the way to the beach. Because there's like a little walkway here we're going across. Beach right now is perfect. Hopefully it stays this way. Hopefully it's not raining. Oh, the waves look perfect. I can't wait to get into the water. Here's the beach. Wow, this is the best weather right now, huh? Guys, this is awesome weather. It's not hot. It's high tide though. I don't know where we're gonna latag. Up here? You want more pictorial before we go in the water? Alright. We're gonna latag our beach mat, then finally get into the water before any rain, hopefully. Here. Which is the one opposite, like this? Let's go here. You gotta put your bag down, hurry. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Let me get the water. right, my turn. All right, guys, here we go. I'm gonna try to get up this slope here without any assistance. All right, I lost the slipper. All right, guys, we're gonna get into the water.
Kuya, wag ko. Comedian.
Just got done at the beach. We're gonna shower up again and head for dinner. I'm hungry because during lunch we just shared and she ate like most of it. All I had was tempeh. She's shaking her head like this, but she knows what she did. Starving. We're not sharing dinner, I'm sorry. No sharing, please. We're going to Funky Tacos now for dinner. Hopefully it's good. We weren't able to eat tacos earlier because El Chapo looked pretty bad. It's Chapo? El Chapo. El Chapo looked like it wasn't on the good. I can't speak English. It looked like it wasn't that great. So we're gonna try Funky Tacos. Hopefully it's funky. I don't think they're gonna be authentic, but we shall see. I will let you know if they're legit or at least good tacos. My experience is, oh, they're yelling at us, tricycle. My experiences for taco is I'm a taco connoisseur. I love tacos. You love tacos? She don't like tacos. I am a taco man. If you can't tell by my stomach. We're just walking 10 minutes. We can do it. If it rains, we have a biome. So let's go to Funky Tacos. Also, if you guys do decide to walk to your destination instead of getting a tricycle, there's no sidewalk. You gotta walk along the highway. So just keep that in mind. Be safe, be smart. And also drivers here aren't very good. So just be aware. Don't be on your camera walking. Be more aware, mindful, demure. I don't think we can even walk across yet. There's no space to walk. See how close we are to the highway here. And I'm already walking on the edge here, the furthest away from the cars. All right, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna start walking. See you guys at Funky Tacos. Funky Tacos. All right, we think it's upstairs. So if you go to Funky Tacos, you gotta climb up the stairs here. It's all the way up the 3rd floor. Here's the Funky Tacos. For 2, kuya. 2. Thank you. You wanna go over there? For the view? Okay. Thank you. Sige po. Alright guys, we are now at Funky Tacos. We might drink a little today, who knows? Kuya said the basil smash is the hit. It's buy one, take one, 4 to 8 p.m. every day. What about the food? What did he say was the best seller?
Dito daw, set of 3 yan. So pwede kang mamili kahit anong flavor. Pero ang best seller daw, beef, fish, saka shrimp.
So they got the Funky Tacos. It's a set of 3. I think I'll do the set of 4 actually. You can do the set of 3 or set of 4. Oh shit, she mad. Lady over there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get the tacos. Ooh, the burrito chimichanga sounds good. But yeah, can we do the set of 4? 2 beef, 1 fish, 1 shrimp. Good. And then yung burrito, beef burrito. So we got set of 4, 2 beef, 1 fish, 1 shrimp, and a beef burrito. Hopefully that's enough. I think that should be enough. I hope it's good. I already gave up hopes on this being authentic. I just hope it's good. I know it's not authentic because it doesn't have any Mexican stuff on here. But good burrito is a good burrito. Doesn't have to be authentic. I'm so hungry. That sharing food was a terrible idea earlier. The worst idea I've ever heard of. Sharing food. You see how small that duck leg? That duck was like this
Pwede
big.
ka na lang umorder.
Here's the burrito. Authentic wise, not very. But I'm telling you guys, if it's good, it's good. Very creepy on the hot sauce. We might need more. This is not good. I'm just gonna cry. I'm not gonna use the gloves. I'm so hungry. Hot sauce. The hot sauce, I will admit, it looks pretty authentic. You want lighting for your picture?
Hindi, okay na mag-price na.
There's no one here. I might as well use the lighting. They might really think we're real vloggers. Here's the burrito. Wow, the lighting does make a difference. How do you like it? Okay lang. Telling you guys, our tacos are coming up. I'm gonna wait till the tacos are here too. Whenever I hear that bell, I turn into like Pavlov and his dogs. Thank you. Alright, these look kind of legit though. Yo, these tacos look legit. First bite. Everyone knows the rules. Half of what went on my shirt. So inside is just it's beef, some beans, some pico de gallo, I think some corn, some hot sauce in here. Nobody's honest, nobody's true. Everyone's lying to make it all true. Guess it just The beef is well decent, but if I had to compare this to a taco or a burrito, it's giving Taco Bell. It's giving Taco Bell vibes, which it's not always a bad thing. I love Taco Bell, but it's like a better Taco Bell. It's good. It's not authentic by any means, but it's good. I'm just hungry too. One more hot sauce. The hot sauce is good. Actually, the hot sauce is pretty legit. Probably the only thing legit about this place, but it's a good ass burrito. It's very greasy. Burritos aren't supposed to be this greasy, guys. Greasy, huh? Greasy. Burritos aren't greasy. Yeah. It's not supposed to be greasy. This is very greasy. For a burrito. Oh, grease. So hungry. You don't like it? This is not authentic. So please don't use this as your reference for burritos. I would give this 6 out of 10 for burritos. Nothing authentic, but the flavors were there. I like this. But for legitness, it's like a 5, maybe a 4.
Nilabutan ako sa ano.
Grease? Yeah. But these tacos have potential. Gotta squirt the lime on there. Then you want hot sauce? So you gotta eat it like that? You want hot sauce? Okay. A little bit of hot sauce. You look disappointed. Very disappointed. Not a little, very.
Pero nabusog ako.
That's not the point though. The point was to enjoy it too. Wait, mine.
Baka hindi lang para sa akin.
When you try the real thing, I think you'll be amazed at how good the real thing is.
Dalawang ano talaga bago.
Yeah. They did the 2 tacos right though. I will give them that 2 taco wrap. Taco's better than the burrito. This is good. You guys come here? Skip the burrito. Get the taco. You like it? No. No. This is not a legit taco though. It's good though. It's a good taco, just not legit. The tortilla, it's too doughy.
Ano na yun sila?
You don't like the beef? I'm gonna get so full tonight. The beef feels like it's fried in too much oil. They make it crispy, so they pan fry it for sure, but it's too oily. Yeah, the beef is too oily. It's too doughy. That's why it feels so heavy in my stomach right now. Like the tacos back home, they're kind of light, so you don't feel like you're eating too much, but you end up eating like 10 tacos. I think I can only eat 3 of these because it's so doughy. You like it? Oh, found something she liked. She liked the shrimp. You can have it. I'm not a fan of shrimp tacos. I'm gonna work on this. All right, guys, that's our review. There's a fish taco. Let me try the fish taco. Fish taco. No. 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 That's actually the most appalling one out of everything. No. That fish taco tastes like I don't know. It just tastes like they cut the fish and then they fried it without doing anything. Fish taco is supposed to be light, flaky. This feels like chicken tenders but with fish. It feels like fish chicken tenders inside a taco. No. Alright guys, we're gonna finish up here. A little sad, but overall, I enjoyed it. Not authentic though, but I enjoyed it. Update, I finished everything. And I feel like my cholesterol level is through the roof right now from all that grease. Final thoughts. It's a good burrito. Beef taco was good. Fish taco. Double no. Most of this stuff was pretty greasy. And burritos are not supposed to be that greasy. The grease is supposed to be inside, not outside. Taco tortilla was too heavy. I don't even know if that was a corn tortilla. It was probably a mixture of corn and flour. Because I feel way too full right now. I'm sleepy. I need a nap. Yeah. Overall, I'll give this place 6.8 out of 10. Atmosphere is great. Staff is great. Food, it's okay. I don't know if the reviews were justified. This place got a, what is this, 4.8?
4.7.
This place got a 4.7. Don't think this is where, I don't think this is a 4.7. If we're going out of 5, I'm gonna say it's like a 3.8. 3.8. With everything factored in. 3.8. I'm good with that. 3.8. She did not enjoy. But she's not gonna tell the waiter that she didn't enjoy. The waiter's gonna come here and say, how was everything? And she's gonna say, it's good. Watch. They're gonna say, how was it? Let's see your smile. It's oily.
Tapos ako yung nagsabi.
Aray. Well, I admit it's pretty oily. Thank you. Is there service charge? Yeah, there is. They didn't ask if it was good. So I'm glad we didn't have to lie. It's pretty pricey. So all that was $888. Pretty pricey for tacos and burritos here in the Philippines. This is the next spot. It's called Halu. Hello. Why do you hate me? Oh, it's ice cream. You know what you want? Kuya, anong bestseller niyo po?
Is and cream, chocolate, and pistachio.
I think I want to try Choco Loco. Look. We're at Halu now. Halu, getting some ice cream because we needed something to break up the grease that was Funky Taco. That was a lot of grease. Hello. This is hers. The cheesy cocoa. Ma'am, cheesy cocoa. This is the Choco Loco. What did you say? Which one tastes better? Looks better?
Hindi, dapat yan na kasi ako sumitin.
I got the Choco Loco. She says mine looks better, and I have to agree. I know how to make good ice cream. They put some salt on top to contrast the sweetness. Damn, this is good. This is pretty legit ice cream here in the Philippines. Here, don't mix it, use a spoon. It's good. Yeah, there's some sea salt on top. There's salt on top to balance the flavor. This just looks like Coco Mama.
Dapat kasi, hindi na ako pinakuha ng ibang soup.
I want my own ice cream.
Share na hati tayo.
Lucky for you, I like any ice cream flavor. It's good too. This is good too. You don't like? It's like coconut with a cheese hint. I like this actually. It's like a cheesecake coconut taste. Yeah, it's like a cheesecake coconut taste. I'm learning more food review words, contrasting flavors of the salt and the ice cream. Now we can make it nachos. Ice cream nachos. Ice cream nachos. The corn is good. Luckily for me, she doesn't eat that much, so maybe she'll get full before she finishes that. I can eat both. Maybe mix it. Try mixing it. Here, let me try mixing it. It might work. It might become like a chocolate cheesecake. Mixing the flavors here. Yeah. Mixing the flavors? Don't do that. Alright, we're gonna finish up here. Probably. Every time I try to talk, just try to put something in my mouth. Since earlier. I'm sure you guys noticed by now. So yeah, we're done. We might not do anything else today. ELYU's pretty dead on a month. She's like trying every inch of her body not to feed me while I'm talking. I think that's it today. We got nothing else planned, huh?
Party.
We're gonna party. We're highly doubtful because there's no one here in ELYU. It's Monday night. We did this on purpose. We didn't really want to go here when it's crowded. Well, technically, I didn't want to go here when it's crowded. With that being said, if we don't do anything else, this is the end of the vlog. If we do something else, I'll record it. But if you don't see me again for the rest of the video, that'll have to do. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. Oh, it's my birthday tomorrow.